Amidst rumors of Samsung maintaining a one-chip strategy for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, we've now received additional confirmation. The international Galaxy Z Fold 6 has recently appeared on the Geekbench online benchmark, featuring the same hardware configuration as the US version. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 for the USA, with the model number SMF956U, was benchmarked earlier this month. This marked the first online appearance of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the initial benchmark results were impressive. Now, the international version, which Samsung plans to release across Europe and other countries worldwide, has appeared on the same online benchmark, identified by the model number SMF956B. Unsurprisingly, the international Galaxy Z Fold 6 runs Android 14 and features the same Pineapple motherboard and Walt governor, indicating it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The newly tested version also comes with 12 gigs of RAM, just like the previous one, which more or less confirms that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have a minimum of 12 gigs of memory. One unusual detail about this new Geekbench entry for the SMF956B is the benchmark score. The international model yielded considerably lower scores compared to the US version, approximately 500 points fewer in single-core tests and nearly 50% less in multi-core tests. Don't let this benchmark score gap throw you off. This is nothing unusual for pre-release devices, which is why we often say that benchmark scores, particularly for unreleased phones, don't mean much. Various factors could have influenced these scores, and they clearly don't reflect the Qualcomm chip's true performance. Had the international Galaxy Z Fold 6 been powered by Exynos, many in the Android community would be in an uproar over the significant performance gap between Snapdragon and Exynos. Rest assured, this discrepancy is merely an early testing fluke. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on the international Galaxy Z Fold 6 should perform similarly to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips used in the US model and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.